Now students, see here the essay of Wonder of Science. Okay. The proverb is, it may be Sunday or it may be Monday or maybe some other day, taking science in hand, we may progress day by day. Okay. The first outline is introduction. What? Introduction. Okay. No introduction can introduce science. This is also a form of proverb. In the dim dawn of creation, when man opened his eyes, he saw the blazing sun, fast flowing river, and gurgling cataracts. He cried in amazement. What are these? ये सब चीजें क्या हैं? Okay. That remote question can be fully answered by the science today. Science has succeeded in discovering the basic things which made our universe scientists call it God, practice, or Higgs boson. Scientists have changed this world into a small fairyland. Okay. Now the second outline is increasing steps of science. Okay. Discoveries are made when feelings run ahead of thinking. The systematic way of knowledge is called science. The systematic way of knowledge is called science. Man's quality of curiosity, alertness, and keen observation has given birth to science. With the invention of wheel and fire, man opened the door of development on 20th July 1969. Man first stepped on the moon and conquered the nature. Next outline, electricity. No heat, no cold. Science has a full hold. Okay. Electricity is the most wonderful invention of science. It irons and washes our clothes. It runs our factories. It cools and warms our houses. It lights our houses and roads at the night. Made life is impossible without electricity. The next point is medical science. In the field of medical science, what? Science has given eyes to the blind, legs to the lame, ears to the deaf, and arms to the armless. Science has cured man from the fatal disease. Fatal disease, जो घातक बीमारियां होती हैं, it has made us healthier and happier. Heart and kidney transplant is possible with the help of science. Medicine and vaccination have control. Okay. Next, means of transport. Transportation के और कौन-कौन से साधन हैं? Science is a stair towards the heaven. Towards the heaven. Science जो है stair है heaven तक पहुँचने का. In ancient times, people used to travel in bullock cart. Now we can travel very fast from one place to another within few seconds. The fast means of transport have own time and distance. One time and distance. Next, means of communication. What is this life? is full of care. There is no time to stand and start. Wireless, telephone, television, mobile are the means of communication. They provide us knowledge as well as recreation. Science has brought massive changes in our life. It has made our life comfortable. Next, computer and robotics. Necessity knows no law. Computers are the most wonderful invention of science. They do several complex work in a very short time. Scientists have invented robots for our help. Robots are useful in industries, defense, etc. Next, Internet and social networking. Internet is the world of infinite. Internet is the short form of the internation network. We can contact with our friends and knowledge through it. Get knowledge through it. We have heard about www. It means World Wide Web. The full form of www is World Wide Web. You also already know about that. Networking is a great way to exchange information between friends. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are famous social networking sites. Now the next point, disadvantages. मतलब इससे हमको क्या क्या disadvantages होते हैं. Every road has a thorn. Science has its dark side also. Man has become the slave of machines. Hypertension, heart attack are the dangerous effects of science. Science is an angel in peace and devil in war. Hydrogen and atom bombs can destroy the world in few seconds. We have seen their effects in Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Okay, and the next point is conclusion. Science is a good servant but a bad master. So play it, enjoy it, use it, but never misuse it. Science is a blessing and curse also. It depends on man how he uses it. It should be used for help of mankind. Okay.